time, sa loob did not allow. We are ready, we're gonna walk him out. Right outside. He is sorry. Respect the institution. This is not about Jinggoy. We're going out. No, don't reveal his rights here. He can be arrested right there. So if you don't want him to make a statement there, sir, just outside the gate, we're gonna walk 5 minutes. This is the Senate of the Philippines. It's never been done. It's never been done. Salonga stood up for Enrile. Ang kalaban si Cory. Ang kaso rebellion. Anong ginawa? They walked out. We're just asking you to walk out. Let's walk. Let's walk. You arrest him here. You can arrest him right now. Sir! You can arrest him. This is the Senate. This is the Senate. Sir, this is the Senate. Not for me. No, I did not. That's not for me. That's for the Senate, sir. Sir, that's for the Senate. For the country. Sir, pumayag ka na kanina. Pumayag ka na right outside the door. Right outside the door.
No handcuffs.
Sir, you have the warrant of arrest issued by Tanjikan Bayan 5th Division, criminal case number E-SB 26-CRM-006 for the crime of plunder under Republic Act 78 as amended. Signed by Honorable Zaldi B. Trespeses, Chairperson of Social Justice. Sir, being accused, you have also rights. May karapatan ka manahimik at magsawa ng kibo. Ano man ang iyong sabihin ay maaaring gamitin pabor o laban sa iyo sa kanyang mga hukuman. May karapatan na ka rin kumuha ng sarili ng abogado o tagapagtanggol nang naayon sa iyong nakit. Kung wala kakayahan, ang pamahalaan at pagkakaluban ka nito ng isa. Lahat po ba ng mga karapatan niyo sa rin na unawaan?
Kabila. Abante mo. Kabila ka.
Elevator, yung ano lang arresting ko ano lang.
Baba na, takbo baba.